What's up, guys? Welcome to Drive Steady. It's a beautiful day outside, nice and overcast, perfect for washing the car. No rain in the schedule, and perfect for taking photos, obviously. So here's just a quick walk around of the Shelby. There's the Z3 project car that I'm going to give you an update on a little later in the video. Talking about the GT350 brake dust is terrible. Anybody who's got a GT350 will tell you the same. But yeah, that's a view of the brake dust. Overall, the car's not in that bad shape. The Avalanche Gray hides the dirt really well. There's a view of the back. Coming around to the other side. Like I said, it's not that bad. It hasn't been washed in maybe a week or two, but I had really bad bird crap on the car, and here's some residue of it. I kind of washed it off. I don't know if that's coming through in the video. Tried to clean it off just lightly, but I wanted to make sure it all comes off. I don't want it to damage the paint. But again, here's the other side of the brake dust. Again, you can see, I think this side is even worse than the other one. But there's the GT350. It's a view from the front. Menacing front. I really like that. And here's the stuff I'm going to use. I will link all of these in the description below. This works really well on the wheels to get all that brake dust out. Tire shine from Car Guys works really well. This is the citrus washing gloss from Chemical Guys. Chemical Guys mitts, Chemical Guy buckets, and the Sunjo electric washer, and of course my favorite, the wheel woolies. These do wonders on the GT350 brakes and inside the wheel barrels. So again, I will link these in the description below. If you wanted to buy any of them, just go ahead and check the description. So let's get started on the wash.
Ready?
Now I'm going to use this the longest wheel woolly here to get inside and clean the wheels. And since this doesn't really fit inside the wheels here, I like to just do the initial clean about halfway down the barrel with this one. If you've got these big brakes, you've got this issue of getting inside your wheel barrels. So I'm going to show you how the wheel woolly solves that issue. Here's the medium size one. I'm going to show you how well this works inside this wheel barrel here. So check this out. This goes all the way inside down here. And I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if I can adjust the angle of the camera. That gets it all the way through. See that? Cleaning all the way inside that barrel. So the entire wheel is cleaned using this wheel woolly. So this guy works wonders. And if you're really meticulous, here's one that's the shortest one. This one works well right here. See this in here? That works really nicely. So you've got 3 that come in a package, and initially I was skeptical on if all 3 I would get use of, but let me tell you, they all come in handy. You can use all of them when you're cleaning your wheels. So now let's wash it off. I want to show you after the initial wash how effective those wheel woolies are. So remember that brake dust when I was showing you at the beginning of the video? It's pretty much gone, and this is even without applying the Adams wheel cleaner. Honestly, you could argue that you don't really even need to at this point. Look at that wheel barrel all the way through. Super clean. Very effective. Get this camera here so you can see that same angle I was showing you earlier. See how clean that is? No brake dust anywhere. It's really nice. Works really well. I'm also going to apply the Adams wheel cleaner as well. So this is the wheel cleaner. Let me show you guys so you have an idea of what the bottle looks like. And you just spray this on like so. And the cool thing with this, if you watch the 7 series video, which I will link above here, you can see that this thing is turning purple. It almost looks like blood on your brake discs. That looks pretty cool, doesn't it? But that's the trick of this Adams wheel cleaner, is it starts changing color, and that's how you know it's actually starting to work and break down the dust. So that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit and I'm gonna wash it off. So about that purple, look at that. I really aggravated it by using the wheel woolly, so you can see it really nicely on the black wheel, how it's changing color. And that's when you know it's working. And after a little bit, you just spray it off. So I just finished washing it off, the Adams that is, and again you can see it just makes it even cleaner inside there. Again, super clean. Unfortunately, this lasts about a week with that GT350 brake dust that I mentioned earlier. Anyway, this is what it looks like as the final product. Very happy with the way it looks. Alright guys, so this is the GT350 all cleaned up, nice and clean. The chemical guy stuff really works well, and the foam gun in combination with the electric washer makes it look really nice and clean. I just applied the tire shine. It's still a little wet, but overall looks really nice. I also wanted to give you guys an update on the Z3 project. The first thing you can tell are these headlights as compared to the other ones. Here in the other photo you can see that there's a major difference. These are actually angel eyes as well, and it's light outside so you can't necessarily see it, but that's different. We also changed that front badge, and even though the car is a little dirty, the hood was repainted. So that's a look of the hood. And also down here, the front bumper was also redone. Looks much nicer. Not much has changed from the side view. Car was pretty clean. on this side. Not much to do here. The back, again, looked pretty clean. One of the things that I had ordered for the exhaust tip here are these things. These look really, really nice. I was really intrigued. I saw them online and I couldn't help myself. So I ordered them, but they're too wide. They don't fit here unless I were to fabricate the muffler and possibly widen this area of the diffuser. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these. I don't know if I should or if I shouldn't put them on. You guys can comment down below if you guys want to see them on or not, but right now I'm just going to hold on to them. And of course, the next thing we're probably going to do is fix the plastic. Also, the convertible top cloth is not in bad shape. However, it could use some brightening or just a complete replacement. But overall, that's what the car looks like now. The front bumper being painted and the hood being painted makes it really pop. Looks a lot nicer as compared to before in the previous video. Coming back to the front, I wanted to show you guys what those angel eyes look like. I realized I didn't show you in the beginning, but that's what they look like. You can't tell right now in daylight, but at night they look really, really amazing. That's the update on the Z3. Let us know if you guys have any opinions or thoughts and what you would like for us to do to it in addition to what we've already got planned. We're open to pretty much anything, so share your thoughts with us in the comments below. And until next time, drive steady.